Hello, YouTube. You know what time it is. I believe everybody knows what time it is. 40 ounce time. And I got another one in the fridge, too. I'm gonna make that later when that defrosts on my grill. So, YouTube, I'm gonna go outside and smoke. And I also got some shout outs to do this video for everybody that commented on my last one. Appreciate that, you know. Everybody comments on the last one. That was real cool. Oh, there's my grill that I'll be cooking on. It's cool. It's real nice. I like it. I like it a lot, a lot. Ooh, that motherfucker is cold. Like, for real cold. Here, cook some coffee here, set it down. Put it right here. Appreciate everybody that commented on my video. And I know there's a lot of times I don't comment on other people's videos, but I'm trying to get better about that. I usually just forget because I usually just watch the video and then do something different. Motherfuckers, hold on, look at this shit. The mushroom that I found yesterday. And I planted it in there, and look what the birds done come and did to it. They done came and ate the whole damn thing up. Little bastards. Fucking birds. Whatever though. Anyways. Let's get to it. Fucking ejaculation, like I said. He always comes up with some funny ass shit, and then he commented on the video and said, the corn dog kind of turned me on. I figured he would say something like that. It's pretty funny though, but I told y'all that shit wasn't right. 45 ice cold. I don't know if I'll be able to chug this, but I know it's going to be damn good. Oh. It's cold. Real cold. But I'm doing something I haven't done in a long time. I'm making a video 2 days in a row. But I felt like making a YouTube video today. I mean, wasn't really doing shit. Was sitting there watching other people's videos. Just felt like making one. Fuck it. And anybody that comments on this video, I'll be sure to shout you out again. I'm at the house by myself. Wife is at work. I'm just chilling. Doing a cold 45. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that. Oh, that motherfucker's cold. Too bad you guys can't try a drink of it. It is delicious. It's about 90 degrees in the shade. Oh yeah, I'll show you my little pepper garden too. It ain't got much bigger. Since last time y'all seen them. Those are cucumbers, that's strawberries, rosemary, jalapenos, habaneros, and gypsy pepper. I mean, I know it's only a couple because I've seen other people and they got 20 or 30 of them, 15 tomato plants. I don't have all that. I just got this little space out here. I'm waiting for those to fucking sprout so I can eat them. When those habaneros come up, I'll make a fucking video of eating one of those motherfuckers. And I know I ain't gonna like it, but good entertainment value though. Good entertainment. Beautiful day out here though. Really nice day. fucking watched the video where B2M and Jen, they're gonna get a house, which is cool. That's real cool. Happy for them on that one. They're probably happy as fuck to get out of that apartment. Cigarettes and all liquor inside. I'm gonna drop it in the puddle. Don't want to drop you guys into my puddle. Not like that. Don't take it. Weirdos. Ooh, shaking up my beer. Back on my little ghetto camera stand, which is / desk, but here's a shout out to the people that commented on my last video. And I'll start from order. Mr. Badass Andy commented on my video. Right on, bro. And he was the one who got it right, actually. And it said, I don't know who Super Bang Pow is, but he said, seen them motherfuckers live, or live, I guess. Cowie63. Silver Thunder, Colt 45. Well, I can't get Silver Thunder here, but you were on the right path. Riz or / Rio, he said Steel Reserve, and I would have done a Steel Reserve, but that would have been too obvious. You guys would have guessed that one for sure. Whoa! And Farkle said 40 of Magnum. That's Magnum way down over there. I don't drive that far to get it. Balls and Wiener said Colt 45 double malt. I wish I could get that here. I've never tried it, but I'd like to. And then, like I said, Jackie Basher said, I'm playing ya. I'm better than Pacino. That corn dog commercial kind of turned me on. Fucking Jackie Bashan. And then Rugby 721. He always comments on my videos, though. He's always fucking cool like that and comments. I'm sure he does that. He comments on you guys' videos, too. He likes the drinking videos and the burping ones. And then Jerome Baker Boys said, what up to Rugby? And then B2M Greatest, he said, what is it, he was going to guess what Badass Andy got, and he said, them pork spare ribs sound good. And man, they were good, B2M, I promise you that. I should have fucking showed a thing of them grilling, man. Them bitches were bomb. My daughter, I gave her some, and she, like, I picked the meat off of, like, 4 ribs, and the pork spare ribs, I mean, the ribs each were, like, that long a piece and, like, that thick, and she ate all of it, so, them motherfuckers was good. Them bitches was hella good. Anyways, let's play some music. You guys are probably tired of listening to me fucking talk. I try not to be boring in my videos, I really do. But I can't always promise that. Let's see, what's something good? Let's play the iTunes Radio. How about that? No. I'm not gonna play, I guess. What the hell? I don't know what the hell this shit is. Okay. Whatever, let's get to drinking, right? Fuck. Well, okay, I guess we won't play that. I talked to one of my people today. He's trained to be a UFC fighter. He's a real cool fucking dude. Here's for Rugby. Oh, that was for you, Rugby. Ooh, that was a fucking hell of a... I don't know if I'm gonna be able to... Hold on, let me check the time. It's already been like 10 minutes. I'm not gonna be able to kill this for you anymore. I mean, I'm gonna kill it here in a little bit, but it's already been past 10 minutes. I don't want to hold you guys up, but I wanted to give you guys a shout out and do a quick drink. And, when I make another video, I'm gonna try to make a 2-minute 40 video. Or I'm either gonna do a 2-minute 40 video or a 2 and 10. So, however I'm feeling at that time is what it'll do. It'll probably be a 2 and 10. Join that 800 club because there's only a couple people in it. Alright guys, peace.